Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're here in the shop today to talk about sanding blocks. Now, there's all sorts of sanding blocks out there, and there's new ones all the time. But new one that I just tried out is the Diablo Ultimate Hand Sanding Solution. It's a reusable sanding block with Sandnet abrasives. That's these guys right here. And a couple of things about this sanding block that make it a little different and make it worth looking into. It uses two different kinds of foam, and it is angled, and then the sides are faced with hook and loop contact material, and it uses these Sandnet abrasives that you can probably even see through it. These have become much more popular. Several manufacturers are making these. The biggest advantage is they don't clog up. And the sample pack that they sent me came with 100 grit and 150 grit and 180 grit. And because there's two sides on here, what I like to do is I put the 100 grit right on there, on that side, and then I'm going to put the 180 grit on the soft foam side, which is better for finishing up. And make sure I get it on the right side and put it in. And where this really excels, the harder, denser foam is great for regular sanding, you know, like on here. But getting into these corners, that's where this thing excels because of the shape of it there, you know, that really gets into the corners nice and easy, and does a great job and doesn't clog up. And is easy to change. Just pull it off. You know, it's not the most expensive or fanciest or highest technology product that you may buy, but anything that makes hand sanding easier and more efficient is worth it in my book. So it's definitely worth checking out. Again, it's the Diablo reusable angled sanding block with Sandnet. That's their brand name, Sandnet abrasives. Diablo is a division of Freud, so it comes from Freud. They say it works for drywall, wood, metal, plastic, all sorts of things. It's definitely worth checking out. And you can learn more at diablotools.com. And if you're looking for more product reviews and videos, you can find them at woodworkingnetwork.com or in the pages of FDMC Magazine. Well, that's what we've got for today. Thanks for watching.